Hey everybody, it's Brian here. So anyways, I just wanted to tell you this is the calm before the storm. And so I just came outside and I don't know if you can see in the video. Well, yeah, you actually can. The blizzard, I guess you could say, is starting. So yeah, right now it's snowing out. So so this is the calm before the storm. So anyways, I'm just gonna come on out and maybe go for a little walk and stuff. Yeah, okay. All right, so yeah, so I can hear the wind starting to pick up a little bit and stuff. So yeah, so the snow is starting to pile. Well, it's starting to come on down, and and I can already hear the wind. So if I can already feel the wind gusting right now, I can blizzard, I'm telling you right now. So I am not looking forward. I'm so okay. All right, are we there? Yeah. All right, so I am so friggin' done with winter. I can't deal with this white crap anymore. I am so ready for spring and winter. So yeah, so I'm gonna point I'm gonna zoom in like right on the American flag there, so that will just clearly show you how the wind is like literally starting to the wind is actually starting to pick up here. So yeah, so yeah, this storm here, it's gonna be bad, I'm telling you. I mean, right now this is just, I guess you could say, the calm right before the storm and everything. But the wind is picking up, so I don't even want to think how it's going to look in the morning. I really don't want to think about that. So because like I said, winter is like one of my tough months, and it gets my seasonal depression going. Oh, somebody left their somebody left their scooter there. I don't know who's I think that's Jim's. I'm not sure. Well, he's one of my neighbors that passed away. But anyway, if that scooter doesn't get moved within the next few hours or whatever, that scooter's going to be covered with snow and it's not going to be working anymore. So but yeah, yeah, the snow is already literally starting to fall down and stuff. And yeah, one of my neighbors actually has a tarp on their car. So I don't know what the purpose of the tarp is, but yeah, they got a tarp on their car. So yeah, so I don't know what time maintenance is gonna be coming here to start working on the walkways and stuff, but I'm pretty sure they're going to be camping out in the community room probably later on or whatever. Right now they're probably all getting some sleep and stuff like that. The wind is starting to pick up, it's starting to howl, and yeah, it's really getting freaking cold out here. So yeah, I don't know if the last blizzard we had in the area was 2022. And I don't remember if we lost power or not. I want to say no, because I think that was the blizzard when I went to Stop and Shop that time, and if I remember correctly, it's been so long ago, but yeah, I really don't remember. So, but yeah, I mean, I don't know where maintenance is gonna put like 2 feet of snow. I mean, this is still the snow from January and stuff, believe it or not. This is still the snow from the January storm, and we're getting up to another 2 feet of snow. So I can only imagine how the community building is gonna look tomorrow. I mean, I'm pretty sure that by tomorrow we're not going to be seeing the I'm pretty sure that we're not going to be seeing the windows over in the community hall, and I'm pretty sure that that's where the smokers go to smoke and everything. So I have no idea how the smokers are going to go into the smokehouse when the get the blizzard tomorrow. So the smokers are going to probably have to figure something out as to what they're going to do. So, ready for the blizzard?
Oh yeah.
I'm not. I'm doing a vlog telling my Facebook friends the calm before the storm.
Oh yeah, no kidding.
Yeah. So, yeah, one of my neighbors is outside. So, yeah. So this is like the calm, like I said, before the storm. But like I said, the wind, it's picking up, and yeah, it's gonna get bad after midnight tonight. So yeah, so I can really start to hear that wind howl. So, and I can only imagine how it's gonna sound come. They're saying the heaviest will probably be about, they said 3-4 in the morning and stuff. So yeah, so the snow is, like I said, it's starting to come now. So it's already starting to so yeah, like I said, this is the calm before the storm and everything. So, and I want to show you all something real quick and stuff. So all right, so anyways, right over here, right there, where you see those 2 windows, that's my apartment. And like I said, we're going to be getting 2 feet of snow, and I'm kind of concerned a little bit about I'm kind of concerned about the 2 feet of snow, and it's probably going to cover my my AC and stuff. So yeah, I just hope and pray that, you know, everything will be all right and stuff. I mean, I'm pretty sure that it will. And Mark, I'm not looking forward to this either, bro. I'm not. But I just want to let you know that if we still have snow by the time you come here in April, expect me to throw at least a few snowballs at you. So yeah, I mean the snow here, I mean, like I said, I mean, it was just starting to melt and stuff, like in my area, like, you know, that's my apartment right there. And yeah, so yeah, I mean, it's starting to melt. So like I said, with 2 feet of snow, I mean, I'm not going to be able to see out of my 2 windows. So like I said, this is like the calm right before the This is the calm right before the storm. So yeah. So I mean, I'm not really looking forward to this blizzard and stuff. But yeah. So just keep me in prayer. Pray that we don't lose power. I'll keep you all posted, and I will talk to you all later. Love you all, and God bless.